Hi, I'm John,
I'm Sandra.
and we're behind us is our new kitchen. We obtained our countertops from United Granite in Colmar. Had assisted us in picking out, and we have the Ibiza quartz countertops. They are fantastic. Ted walked us through the process. We came in, he showed us the warehouse, showed us various samples, talked to us about price ranges and how the process would proceed. After we picked our product, he scheduled a measurement, and a person came out and measured for the countertops. Also, at that time, walked us through the process on how the slabs would be cut and trimmed and ready for the next process was the installation. We got a phone call from the office. They walked us through the installation process when the team would show up. When the team did show up, they came, surveyed the area, walked us again through how they were going to place all the various slabs, match them together, and confirmed the fitment with us that everything was great. I have to say, it was the cleanest operation I have ever seen. So the workmanship was terrific, and everybody we met was happy to be here servicing our project and making sure that we were happy. Thanks to Ted and everyone we met at United Granite.
And I would just like to add that Ted was very patient because I believe we visited the United Granite store 4 times
Too many choices.
before I could make up my mind.